Hi, I am Gilbert Dahinog Ortilio, and this is my mini business proposal. My name of my business is Gelb Shake and Chills. Ayan. So it's all about making shakes like fruit shake, choco kisses flavor, many more in many various flavor. Business descriptions is to serve chilled shakes with various flavors, and this is belong siya sa food. Ayan. And business goals is to be able to serve and give chills and sweet and smoothies with various flavor, and to help, of course, to help less fortunate people and charities. Ayan. So bali, if ever na lumaki, 'di ba? Pwedeng makatulong sa iba. Pwedeng makatulong sa employee kung lumaki. And every hired employee can feed their family. Ayan. So market coverage is around Cagayan de Oro City. Ayan. Since mini business proposal pa siya, dito lang muna sa Cagayan de Oro City. What are the needs of customers? Of course, as an individual, pwede nating na-consider ating sarili na na customer. So ako as a customer din, every time na gusto kong kumain, gusto ko ang may drinks or panghimagas, ganun ba. So mas prefer ko yung shakes kasi mas masarap siya at mas masustansya. Siyempre may mga flavor yan, kunwari banana shake, ganun, chocolate shake, ayan. So yun, as a customer, yun yung needs ko and as a business, pwede kong i-serve or to give satisfaction to the customers. Ayan. What are your competitors? Of course, yung popular dito sa Cagayan de Oro, yung Orbit's Pearl Shakes. And of course, yung mas popular pa yung Zago Food Corporation. Ayan. So what are the strength of your competitors? Of course, as nasabi ko kanina, ang popularity niya. So sikat siya sa CDO, yung Orbit's, and of course, yung Zago Food Corporation sa buong Pilipinas siya, kilala siya, popularity, and of course sa tagal ng kanilang business, yung length of the business. Ayan. Business networks. As a mini business pa, magsisimula pa lang, ako as a shakes ang aking items or aking product, lalapit ako sa mga small restaurant. Yung mga restaurant na sir, yung wala pang shakes na ganun na ino-offer. Gusto ko silang lapitan, gusto kong magbigay ng offer sa kanila na mas kikita din naman sila. Basta yung gusto ko lang i-share yung yung business ko as para kumita din naman, hindi lang sa bahay lang or sa isang stall lang siya or isang pwesto. Ayan. Lalapit ako sa mga small restaurant, and of course the school canteens. Ayan, mas maraming estudyante diyan na kailangan din ng maiinom, or yung iba milk tea, di ba? Why not from shake to milk tea din? Ayun. So ayun na nga, small restaurant and school canteens, pwede ako mag-serve doon. Ayan. Business network. Ay, tapos na. How much is your capital? Ayan. For my shake and chills sa aking business, magsisimula ako sa capital na 10,000. Ayan. What are your pre-operating expenses? Ito yung maganda sa shakes eh. Ang kailangan mo lang na equipment is yung ice crusher, blender, and yung mga plastic containers for the flavors, powdered flavors. Ayun. And for target sales for 1 year, ayan, is 205,000. O diba? Laki. target yan. Target ko is 205,000 a year. So, enumerate your operating expenses. Ayan, yung water, of course, sa water, and electricity or electric, and flavored powders, and of course, the stall rent, and the labor. Ayan. So, gross income for 1 month estimated. Estimated ko ang 30,000 a month for my shake and chills. Ayan. So, how much is your net income in 1 month based on income minus operating expenses? So, ito, 30,000 ang aking gross income, estimated yan. So, utilities, yung water, electric, ayan, is 1,100. Kasi, kunti lang naman nagagamit sa, sa water, and sa kuryente is medyo malit lang din naman. So, ingredient stuff, kasama na dun ang powdered flavor and milk, or ang pampatamis ng yung evaporated milk or condensed milk, ganun. So, ang stall rent, ang ingredient stuff is 1,500 for the ingredient stuff. Ayan. And stall rents, ayan, rent. So, bali 2,000. And ang labor, 5,000. Of course, para sa tatao sa pwesto. For one person lang to, 5,000. Kasama na dyan ang kanyang allowance and of course the benefits. Ayan. Other cost, 400. Ayan. Dun yung 400 siguro sa sa mga pamasahe ng employee or pamasahe pag namili ng mga gamit. Ayan. Total cost is, again, enumerate ko ulit. Gross income, 30,000. And utilities like water and electric bills is 1,100. And ingredient stuff is 1,500. Stall rent is 2,000. And labor is 5,000. Other cost is 400. A total cost of 10,000. Ayan. So, bali, 30,000 income ko sa isang buwan. May minus total cost sa aking operating expenses. So, kikita siya ng net income ng 20,000 pesos. Ayan. So, bali, dito nagtatapos ang aking mini business proposal. Guild Shakes and Chills. Thank you so much.